Cord.
See?
Does he walk at him?
Yep.
He walks over him.
That poor guy.
He's kicking stuff up. That poor thing.
Ew. Ew.
Oh my gosh.
Jumping over him.
Ow.
Oh, this is inhumane. I wish you'd stop.
Oh my god. That poor hamster.
No! Oh my god. This is our lives. Just every day.
Never stops.
Poor baby. Dude, he's doing it for a long time now. It's a new obstacle for him. He's just hopping right over.
Here. I could probably hold it. Here.
Don't hit the home button when it's over because that'll erase it.
Don't say anything.
Oh! He finally made it out.